So a little swag packing, or honestly anything with a strap packing tip. We've all had the time where we've put it through the rings, we can't get it undone, or we're getting really upset. Little quick tip, come in a bit closer. So got it rolled up. First one through like normal, then make a little fold like this. Tuck the folded part through the ring. Pull it tight. Still gets just as tight, but then here's the magic: when it's time to undo, pull the single tab and it's undone. How easy is that? Your life has just changed. Do it again. So like normal, single tab through, make a little fold, folded one through the second ring, pull it through, and we're secure. Easy as that. Cheers.